Hello everyone, I am Bhadrika Patel from Caret IT Solutions Private Limited. Today we will discuss about the reconciliation write-off model in Odoo version 13. For reconciliation, we can configure the reconciliation model to speed up the reconciliation process. Let's start. Click on Accounting. First, we need to create the reconciliation model. So click on Configuration and Reconciliation Model. Let's say I have created the sales discount. Click on Add it. There are three types of reconciliation model. First is manually create a write-off, then suggest counterpart value and match existing value. So let's discuss first manually create the write-off type. So this is my reconciliation model. Name is sales discount. I have set the account and amount type, company and write-off amount like this. So all these things are we need to configure in reconciliation model. Now let's create one invoice. Create. Select the customer and the product. Let's say the price is rupees 4,000. You need to set a text and post the entry. After post the entry, let's check in accounting overview. In bank, create the reconciliation statement. Add the transaction. So invoice. Partner, and let's see the amount is 3,800. Save and valid reconcile. When we click on reconcile, we can see that all the transaction display for that particular customer. So let's find out our transaction. This is 4,000. Click on it and click on manual operations. We can see that the sales discount button over here. Just click on sales discount button and you can see that the sales discount 200 is display over here. So the line will be automatically added for the discount. Validate it. And now the reconciliation is done. So this is how we can use the write-off type in reconciliation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.